What's going on, guys? This right here is the AirPods. Well, that's what you think. Unless you look in the back and then it says this right here, TWS with charging case. They're not ashamed to look like AirPods, so let's check them out. I got this for free. Some company sent it to me. I'm guessing it just arrived on my door. So yeah, when I saw this, I was like, I gotta make a video on it because I actually thought this was the actual AirPods just by the case. Well, I knew the box wasn't real, but the case right here, it just feels so legit. Even on the back right here, you can see it says designed by Apple in California and assembled in China. I don't think the AirPod case says assembled in China. I don't know about that part. Size-wise, this feels legit. And how sturdy it's feeling. Let's unwrap this. The wrapping, ooh, that is so close. The case feels nice, but it's not as dense as the Apple AirPods, the actual AirPods. But they kind of have this, they kind of have this down right here. On the box, it doesn't say what model this is. It literally says TWS, but I just know this is not the real AirPods because the top is not heavy. And it does not feel dense like the actual AirPod cases. Wow. But it does have that green light over there. No light inside of the case, which the real AirPods have. This does not have that. Oops. It is magnetic too. This is not magnetic. The real AirPods, they stay like this because they're magnetic, but this one doesn't. You can definitely rip someone off, and I would feel very bad for you if you got ripped off, because who wants the fake AirPods, right? They look like AirPods, but do they sound like AirPods? Let's find out. Okay, I just got an idea. Since these are fake AirPods, I'm going to pair it up with my fake iPhone. Let's do it and see what this is. Turn on Bluetooth. Hope you're able to see that. And boom, open it up. AirPods. It says AirPods. That's pretty legit right there. It doesn't come with any Apple sticker. It's connected now. That was very easy to pair up. It doesn't have the W1 chip, nor does this fake iPhone. Pairing process was not bad. Very easy. Inside of the box, we do get very, very fake lightning cables. It's like, yeah, this definitely is fake. And then here's the biggest giveaway of all, TWS. Well, at least they're not, ashamed of showing that label. However, on this right here, the Bluetooth setting, it says AirPods. I don't get that. I mean, it's for people who want to have AirPods, I'm guessing. In case you were wondering, this has a 396 milliamp battery. It says it under here, but you can't really see that. I don't know if the real AirPods have that in their cases, but we will find out when I compare this to the actual AirPods. If you see an AirPod case like this that says TWS, definitely don't get it. Also, if you can get the real lightning cable and test it out on this, then that should help you figure out if it's the real deal. Here are the AirPods, or the what's a good name for fake AirPods? So when I do put them in my ear, it makes this ambient noise saying that it's connected to my phone. These are hollow. I definitely know these are lighter than the actual AirPods too, not just the case, the earphones themselves. Man, because they're not on the top. Go ahead. Sound quality wise, they actually sound good. It sounds a little muffled. I mean, it doesn't sound as clear as the AirPods, but they sound good. There's bass. I'm playing music at 100% volume and there's no distortion either. Well, let's listen. And they get pretty loud. I can't even hear my voice right now. Guys, this is crazy. I just uploaded the video, so I had to take it down, and I'm using the case right now, and look, check it out. It charges wirelessly. It also charges with the real lightning cable. And the fake lightning cable that came with it, this charges my real phone, iPhone. Yo, this is pretty much an AirPod. One more thing, guys. I just had to delete the video again for the second time. And I was trying to take a picture for the thumbnail. I went like this. And, you know, this came up. Yo, this just might be real. I'm just kidding. It's not real, but... Dude, AirPod killers right here. That's what I'm gonna call them. Yo. Wait. So... What? It pauses the music when I take it out of my ear. Hold on. Look at that, it's playing. Pauses it. So it looks like the left earphone is like the main one. Yeah. That is awesome. If you can get these for like $20, I'd say they're worth it. I don't know how the battery life is on this one. I'm gonna test it out, and then I'll make a separate video just comparing this with the AirPods. So you wanna see that video, you know what to do. Subscribe and make sure you hit that like button. And oh, that's loud. Compared to the AirPods, these are like a 6 out of 10, and the AirPods are like a 9.2 out of 10. They're good for what they are.